Well, we are now joined with criminal defense attorney Taylor Bell for a closer look at this case and what could happen to Murdaugh next. Thank you so much for joining us, Taylor.
Thank you.
All right, so my first question is, there was a conversation about him accepting this plea deal, or the judge accepting this plea deal, in a way that would allow, if the murder conviction is overturned, for Murdaugh to still have to go to jail. Could you speak to that a little bit?
So they're two separate sentences. The 27-year sentence is for the financial crimes, and it's completely separate from the 2 life sentences that he got for the murder case. So lo and behold, if the murder conviction is overturned, he would still have to serve that 27-year sentence, which I believe would be somewhere around 23 years based on the 85% amount of time that you do for what's considered a violent offense. He will get credit for time. If you listen to the sentencing, he'll get credit for the pretrial detention that he has been serving currently. So maybe take a year and a half off of that. But effectively, it is a life sentence, even if the murder conviction is overturned.
So we had the state, then federal next. But I want to really talk about the victims here. I mean, we heard some emotional testimony from them. My question, and I feel like a lot of people have this question as well, will any of the victims or their families get any of the money back that Murdaugh took from them?
So I think some families have gotten money. It's not come from Murdaugh himself. Mm-hmm. It's come from insurance policies in which the law firm had, insurance policies in which he had. So some money has been returned, not necessarily from Murdaugh mm-hmm. himself, but there has been money returned, and I don't think effectively they will ever get anything. There will be claims against him, against his, if he's ever to come into any kind of money. Mm-hmm. But effectively, I don't believe that some of those will ever see any money, because he's not got the ability to make a living while he's incarcerated.
So that's good information to know. And again, I know we wish that all of the victims could get all of their money back. Now, I want to talk about the appeals for the murder conviction. What does that process look like? We've heard about the clerk of court potentially, allegedly influencing jurors. So what is the strategy here for Murdaugh's legal team going into this appeal process?
So the appeal has been put on hold. It's stayed. It's stopped, and the Court of Appeals has given permission for Murdaugh's attorneys to go back to the circuit court, where the trial level, and have a factual hearing on whether or not Becky Hill had any undue influence on the jurors in making their decision, mm-hmm. Coming to their verdict. There will be a hearing where I believe it'll be a full evidentiary hearing, where there will be testimony taken, cross-examination. Now, we're going to have a different judge, but because Judge Newman recused himself voluntarily. He said, I don't know if he said he's made comments, but he has made comments regarding guilt or innocence of Mr. Murdaugh. So he has voluntarily recused himself off of that case. Another judge will be assigned to it. So presumably we are waiting on the Chief Justice of the Supreme Court to assign a new judge to the case. And once that's done, I imagine a hearing date will be set. Some additional filings will take place, and we'll have people up there on the witness stand telling what they witnessed, maybe how they felt, and then we'll have a determination made.
That's good information there. Thank you so much, Attorney Bell. We appreciate you. And as we just heard, this Murdaugh saga still continues. Of course, News 19 will stay on top of this case, both with the financial crimes and with the appeals process for that murder conviction.